Hello friends, welcome to Techno Education Academy. My name is Professor Rushabh Doshi and we are seeing the decimal conversion system in the video series lecture. Here is the conversion of decimal to binary conversion. In the first video we are also seeing the decimal number into binary number, but now we are also dealing with the decimal fraction numbers converted into binary. So let's take the example for 200.200. So here we are here the example is divided into two parts. First is the decimal part and another is the fraction part. So first we are dealing with the decimal part. Here is the same process as we are explained in the first video. 200 divided by 2. Why 2? Because the binary conversion base have 2 and decimal base have 10. We are converting decimal to binary, that's why we divided by 2 base. That's why we are divided by 2. So here 200 divided by 2 will get 100 and remainder 0. Here 100 divided by 2 will have 50 and remainder 0. We are repeating the same process. 25 remainder 0. We are also repeating the same process. 12, but here we are getting the remainder 1. 12 divided by 2 will have 6 and remainder 0. Here 6 divided by 2 3 will have remainder 0 and 2 we have remainder 1 and 1 as a quotient. Now we are writing the reverse terminology or opposite side of our reminders, that conversion of 200 decimal number, that is 1100,100. Now for the fraction part, what we are doing, we are writing the fraction part, that is 0.200. For decimal part we are dividing by 2, but here in the fraction part we are multiplied by 2. That is the only difference for the decimal conversion into binary. For the decimal part we divide by 2, for the fraction part we are multiplied by 2. So here the 0.200 multiplied by 2, so we have 0.4 and remainder 0. So how we write the remainder 0? If here the number 0.4, but here we take 1.4, then I'll take the remainder as 1. Then I'll take the remainder 1. But here 0.4 will have, so we don't write any remainder. Now repeating the same process as the previous one, 0.4 multiplied by 2 and we'll have 0.8 value. Here is also not repeating the decimal part, or we are not getting the decimal part, so here also remainder 0. 0.8 multiplied by 2, then we'll have 1.6. So here we are getting the decimal part, so we take the remainder as a 1. And we are doing this process for 3 times or 5 times depending on my question capability, that are seen by multiple examples. So here we are taking the 3 times and we are writing in same manner as we are calculating. So if we are writing this term or we are writing the remainder part, then we'll have 0, 0, 1. Here is the whole conversion of 200.200 decimal value in binary conversion. If you have any questions and query, please DM us or comment down below. Thank you very much.